How to add music to Instagram Note. Hey guys, this is Nana from Create, Login and Delete, and let's start with our video. Open your Instagram application and from there head to your DM section by tapping on the airplane icon. There you will see your note. Tap on the plus sign. Now tap on the music icon. Here you can just tap on any music from this list or you can browse by searching for the music. For an example, I'm searching one. You just have to tap on it and it will start playing. To change the verse, you can just slide it down like this. And once you're happy with it, tap on tick mark. You can also write something over here that is up to 60 letters. And if someone taps on your note, this is how it will look. The music will start playing on its own. If this feature is not available for you, go to App Store or and Play Store and then search for Instagram, and if there is an update, leave for an update and you will have this feature. That's pretty much it to how to add music to your note. Thank you so much for watching.